The National Cultural Heritage Act of 2009 mandates all local government units to establish, maintain, and annually update an inventory of all cultural property within their jurisdiction, which encompasses both built heritage and intangible cultural heritage. The City of Lawag previously adopted its registry through the City Resolution Number 2021-083 Series of 2021 and is required to formalize the community of this commitment through an update submission. Since the 2021 submission, the Lawag City Government has recognized the need to update its legislative endorsement and registry the account for properties identified during the subsequent cultural mapping period, thus ensuring continuous compliance. The City of Lawag seek to register in Sarabasab, Dinakdakan, Lusay, Haibol, Puki-Puki, Patupad, Linapet, Usi, Inartem under the intangible cultural property category, asserting that its true heritage value lies not merely in final product, but in the distinctive preparation, specialized techniques, and ancestral skills preserved and practiced by the community. While this subject property may have originated outside the geographical boundaries of Lawag City, this has become deeply integrated into the city's identity as essential part of our history, culture, and tradition. It is therefore the duty of Sangguniang Panlungsod to formally adopt this newly added intangible property as intangible cultural heritage of Lawag City to ensure their continuous documentation and permanent safeguarding, thereby establishing the City of Lawag as the primary custodian of this important culinary tradition against any misrepresentation or appropriation. The Lawag City Culture and Arts Council through the Lawag City Tourism Office created and prepared an update list of identified heritage sites, landmark and cultural resources, and properties within the jurisdiction of Lawag City. The list of the said heritage cultural site and intangible property identified by the Lawag City Tourism Office is on the second page of this draft. I'm now ready for my interpretation, Mr. Chair.